up is the slurp, also known as a closed third. So the slurp needs to be done with a very relaxed foot, and that's how you're going to get the best sound. It's sometimes referred to as a slurp because of the sound it makes. It sounds kind of slurpy, like you're sucking a lot of air through a straw. You know that sound. So this is a lot of fun, but you really have to relax the foot to get the best sound. Let's give it a try. This is something I call a slurp. And a lot of people call it a slurp, but it is also called a closed third. It makes 3 sounds. And what that is you're going to hit your toe, you're going to come through and hit the heel stays on the floor, and then you drop the toe. But you're going to do it with a relaxed foot, so it's like that. So you're doing, again, in slow motion, if I did it fast and we slowed it down, it should look like toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. So the reason it is called a closed third sometimes is because an open third is something that is also called a riffle. And a riffle is when you do a riff, the toe scuff, and then a little brush back. But just like your shuffle is done with a relaxed foot and leg, the riffle should be done with a relaxed foot and leg too. There you go. So a riffle done fast is kind of like a shuffle where the heel kind of gets involved. And again, that's also called an open third, and then your closed third. So open is up and off the floor and open. Closed is onto the floor and it ends on the floor. Now, slurps can be done with and without a weight change. So when you take this class in the studio, we spend a lot of time just trying this. Now when you do these, you also want to think about picking up that leg from the hip, bending that knee, relaxing everything, and just letting it come down on the floor. If you try to control it, you're going to end up kind of doing this, and that doesn't work real well. You want to really relax. I always think about the game Hungry Hungry Hippos, where your hippos are kind of back in and you push them forward and they come up and they grab the marbles and come back. And it's that sort of same action that your foot does. So slurp. So let's do, we're going to do 8 slurps with the right foot and then 8 slurps with the left foot. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp. Slurp, 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 slurp. Let's try some with the left foot now. 5, 6, 7, 8, slurp, 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 slurp. The more you can lighten things up, if you're doing it too hard and heavy, you're not going to get it. It has to be very light against the floor, and again, very relaxed. Let's do that again. 8 right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slurp, 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 slurp. And now the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slurp, 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 slurp. Okay. As I think I already mentioned, you can also do these with the weight change, and those are kind of like walking slurps. So you would do your slurp, and then you would go to the other foot. I'm going to do some coming towards you so you can see from the front what my feet are doing. So you go slurp, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, and slurp, 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 slurp. Switch to the left, slurp, 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 slurp. Let's do walking slurps. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,